Number 1. What is the place value of the underlined digit? Welcome to IMQ IVFC Math Quiz. There will be 25 items to test your skills on the subject matter. Don't forget to answer on the comment section below. In your answer sheet, take note of the video ID. Here are the questions. Number 1. Write the symbols in words. Number 2. Write the symbols in words. Number 3. Write the symbols in words. Number 4. Write the symbols in words. Number 5. Write the symbols in words. Number 6. Write the symbols in words. Number 7. Write the symbols in words. Number 8. Write the symbols in words. Number 9. Write the symbols in words. Number 10. Write the symbols in words. Number 11. Write the symbols in words. Number 12. Write the symbols in words. Number 13. Write the symbols in words. Number 14. Write the symbols in words. Number 15. Write the symbols in words. Number 16. Write the symbols in words. Number 17. Write the symbols in words. Number 18. Write the symbols in words. Number 19. Write the symbols in words. Number 20. Write the symbols in words. Number 21. Write the symbols in words. Number 22. Write the symbols in words. Number 23. Write the symbols in words. Number 24. Write the symbols in words. Number 25. Write the symbols in words. Congratulations! This ends our topic for today. Bye-bye.